that Bharat goes out and votes in big numbers, ladies and gentlemen. 13 states and union territories, 88 seats. We've been focusing on Kerala and Karnataka for a bit, and also the BJP's latest allegation or assault at the Congress's manifesto, where they've used Dr. Manmohan Singh's soundbite and response at a press conference back in 2009. But now let's shift focus. Let's look at Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. First up, news coming in from Bengal. Verbal spat between Bengal BJP President Sukanta Majumdar and Trinamool Congress supporters outside a 100-number booth in West Bengal's Balurghat in Tapan. Sukanta Majumdar has claimed Trinamool Congress workers tried to stop him from entering the booth. The Election Commission has sought a report from the DM on what happened when Sukanta went to the booth in Tapan. Kamalika now joins us at this point. There are visuals, pictures, and Sukanta Majumdar openly turning out and pointing fingers and alleging big ruckus there. Yes, Kamalika.
See, in Gangarampur, in Balurghat, Sukanta Majumdar from the morning has been stated that in certain areas in Gangarampur and Itahar, the BJP workers are being stopped and intimidated. Like today in the morning when Sukanta Majumdar cast his vote and then he went for this round in Tapan area. Here is Sukanta. When Sukanta Majumdar, that's what he claims. When he was trying to enter, there were some TMC workers who were actually protesting that point of time and did not allow him to enter. And there was a verbal spat between those workers and Sukanta Majumdar, and Sukanta Majumdar there also called up the IC there, the police in charge, that where is he and what's he doing. And there where this verbal spat began with the TMC workers, now the situation is under control, the police is there. But Sukanta Majumdar's question is that when the booth, how can those TMC workers be so close to the booth? That's what that's what BJP State President Sukanta Majumdar's allegation is. On the other hand, the TMC workers were saying that why the BJP president along with a lot of people came, but the BJP president, he is saying that he is a candidate and he is liable, he can go anywhere. So there was a verbal spat and the EC has also sought a report from the DM, but right now the situation is under control.
This instance is of voter intimidation. Yes, go ahead, continue, Kamalika.
Yes, right now, Anand, I will also try to show you that I am in front of Daribet High School, if you remember, in Raiganj, where there were two students were killed couple of years back when they stopped the entrance. They were tried to stop the entrance of two Urdu teachers who were appointed, and this made up a very big issue out there. And this is a seat, Raiganj, which is won by BJP, and today also you can see that that all those remembrance at that time when those two children they died here, these are there. People have come out to vote. This is still a sensitive area considered in Bengal, and we see that heavy deployment of central forces are there. People are coming out and they are voting.
Right.
But obviously that day still people remember here.
Well, thank you for your inputs, Kamalika. Let's get a quick check of the voter turnout, ladies and gentlemen.